So we're here today. It's Saturday, also known as Small Business Saturday, and we are one of those small businesses. And hopefully you've been contacting us, and we've been able to earn your business with the sales quote. We just rep for 5 or 6 different manufacturers, and love talking to people, love hearing your stories, hearing about your own woodlot, and trying to put you into something that makes sense for you and your uses, versus just reading down through a sheet of paper and trying to collect a commission check. But we actually care, and just trying to put you into something that's going to benefit you and your operation. We do run and operate everything that we sell, so we have a really good firsthand knowledge of how it works and what it works best in different scenarios. So please lean on our expertise, and hopefully we can get you into the right machine. And I have 2 machines for today. It is Saturday, and just figured, we kind of kick this one off and wrap everything up this week with 2 really good deals. So we're going to do 2 1824 gas machines. The first one is going to be an extended frame, so it's going to give you the 4-strand live deck. We're going to keep the 14-foot straight conveyor off the back. We're going to go ahead and add the auto cycle, add the fast split, add a 6-way and an 8-way wedge. So your normal retail number is going to be $76,370. We'll give you the 10% off, which is $7,636, for an adjusted sale price of $68,734. We're going to go ahead and really step the game up on this one and give you an additional $2,364 off on this unit to give you a total of $10,000 worth of savings on this 1824 gas machine. So your crazy price is going to be $66,370. So again, 1824 gas, extended frame, 14-foot conveyor, auto cycle, fast split, 6-way, 8-way wedges, a handful of saw chains, and the adjusted crazy price with $10,000 off is $66,370. Awesome deal. Do not hesitate. Now, the second item is going to be promo code 4776. This is going to be another 1824 gas machine, but we are doing this one with a Chevy 999 motor. This is going to be a liquid cooled gas motor that we're going to put on this processor. And again, we're going to do it with the extended frame for the 4-strand live deck, the 14-foot straight conveyor, auto cycle, fast split, 6-way and an 8-way, and a handful of saw chains. And with the big Chevy motor, it's going to be, your normal retail number is $80,170. So we're going to give you the 10% off, which is $8,017. The sale price is $72,153. And I'm going to, again, I don't believe this, really step it up, give you an additional $3,983 off, for a total of $12,000 off on this 1824 with the Chevy motor. So again, $12,000 off. The adjusted crazy price is $68,170. So the first one was promo code 4771 for $66,370. The next one with the Chevy motor was promo code 4776 for an adjusted price of $68,170. Do not delay on these. It's almost as good of a deal as that 1424 from yesterday. So again, $10,000 off of one, $12,000 off of the other. These are unit specific. Once somebody buys them, this deal is dead, and you'll have to go back to the regular retail with a normal discount, but giving you almost $2,400 extra off of one and almost $4,000 extra above and beyond what the manufacturer is doing, just to get you a good deal on these 2 units. 833 splitter, that's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this week we've showed you a lot of nice video and given you some good discounts. And so again, I pray that we can earn your business with the sales quote. So don't hesitate to call or email me. Thanks for watching.